The remarkable rise of China's electric vehicle (EV) market can be largely attributed to the unwavering support of the Chinese government. Roughly 20 years ago, China recognized the need to reduce its reliance on oil imports and address the growing air pollution crisis in its cities. This realization led to the implementation of a comprehensive set of policies that propelled the new energy vehicle industry forward. From generous subsidies and tax breaks to cheap land leases and favorable loans from state-owned banks, the Chinese government poured billions of dollars into nurturing its domestic EV industry. Local governments also played a crucial role by contracting Chinese companies to electrify their bus and taxi fleets, creating an instant market for these vehicles. To encourage more people to use electric vehicles, EVs, the Chinese government provided various benefits. These included discounts on charging, special parking spots, and unique license plates that gave EV owners special advantages. The heart of China's EV dominance lies in its mastery of the battery supply chain. The lithium-ion batteries that power electric vehicles are composed of four main components: the cathode, anode, electrolyte, and separator. Over the years, Chinese companies have strategically positioned themselves to control significant portions of the global supply of the raw materials needed for these components. By acquiring ownership stakes in mines around the world, Chinese firms have ensured a steady and reliable supply of the essential minerals, such as nickel, cobalt, and lithium. Furthermore, China has become the global leader in refining these raw materials, a process that can be highly polluting and is often avoided in developed countries. China's battery dominance has also been fueled by its ability to drive innovation in battery technology. In recent years, Chinese companies have pioneered the development of lithium iron phosphate batteries, which avoid the use of the two most expensive battery minerals, nickel and cobalt. It can power a car for 370 miles on just a 10-minute charge. These advancements in battery technology have not only made electric vehicles more affordable but have also made them more practical for mainstream consumers. As a result, LFP batteries are now a growing share of the global EV battery market, with nearly all of them being manufactured in China. China's dominance in the EV battery market has not gone unnoticed, and it has sparked concerns about unfair global competition and the environmental impact of its supply chain. In response, the Biden administration has introduced policies aimed at limiting the use of Chinese-sourced battery components and minerals in electric vehicles sold in the United States. However, this has created a dilemma for US automakers, who are struggling to find viable alternatives to the high-quality and cost-effective batteries produced by Chinese companies. The US is investing in its own battery industry, but estimates suggest it would cost $82 billion to meet the country's domestic demand by 2030. A timeline that may not align with the urgent need to transition to electric vehicles and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.